Good morning. So CUET UG examination results have been declared. Let's go through some of the quick facts. Nearly 13 lakh candidates had registered for the exam, of which nearly 10 lakh candidates actually appeared for the examination, with 243 participating universities including Delhi University, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Banaras Hindu Vishwavidyalaya. So all of these have been some of the major universities which are part of CUET UG examination. However, the total number of universities have declined from somewhere to 289 to 243, 239 in 2025. So this was the number in 2024. Now the total number of test papers have reduced from 61 to 37. The exam was conducted in nearly 13 different languages. Of this, there were two major languages which were there. English, nearly 8.75 lakh students appeared in English for various subjects. Nearly 1.85 lakh students appeared with Hindi as the subject, like not Hindi as a subject, the subject in Hindi language, right? There were around 4,000 something students who appeared with Bengali language, with Punjabi just nearly 78 students, and 46 students with Kannada language, and other regional languages also with very minor proportion. But if we look onto the people who opted with languages, so let's say those opting for Gujarati language in CUET PG showed the lowest turnout. From 141 candidates who had applied, only 61 appeared for the examination. Similarly, in Marathi, only 163 candidates appeared for the examination. Now, these are the languages that I am talking about, subject as a language, and here the medium of paper was in the following subject. So that's the difference. Now, as we said, the number of test papers have been reduced. Now, the subjects which were done across various shifts, percentile based normalization method has been adopted. The choice has been capped to not more than 5 subjects a student can opt for. Even the papers which were postponed, the results for those have been declared simultaneously. And to keep the competition healthy, NTA has decided not to disclose the name of the toppers for 2025. So those are some of the major developments. Now those who have already received the scorecards would start applying for the universities shortly. So wish you all the best, and of course, as you enter into the curriculum in the first 1 year or 2 years, you must start your preparation for CUET PG, because CUET PG is a highly competitive examination, and to secure a good university you need to start your preparation quite early. Wish you all the best. Thanks for joining.